Breaking this afternoon, after learning the head of the FDA may be out of a job if approval for Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine doesn't happen by the end of today. A senior official says White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows made the threat on a phone call with Stephen Hahn today. Last night, an FDA panel endorsed the vaccine, calling it safe and effective for emergency use. The final vote is expected to happen in the coming days. We're getting new information about Missouri's plans for vaccine rollout. Investigative reporter Matt Fleener listened to a statewide briefing this afternoon.
Friday, Missouri's top health official answered questions about vaccines and how they'll get to you.
I anticipate that we will probably be vaccinating people in Missouri next
Thursday of next week, when Dr. Randall Williams says people will start getting Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine after FDA approval and successful shipments to the first sites in Missouri.
That's the plan, but that's going to be conditional on all those things happening.
The first to get shots, healthcare workers caring for COVID patients. Up next, Missouri plans to vaccinate long-term care residents through partnerships with CVS and Walgreens, mainly with Moderna's vaccine.
We will be able to vaccinate almost 2/3, if not more, of our long-term care facility population, probably starting December 28th, and do it very quickly.
As for when essential workers like teachers and first responders will get it, Williams said that will most likely be by March.
It will be a large group in which the state will just distribute the vaccine to providers who will then work with their individual patients to say, are you in this group? And it'll be an honor system.
Williams said if all goes well, he expects full access to vaccines for everyone by next July. Matt Fleener, KMBC 9 News.
Dr. Williams said the state health department will not have custody of any vaccines. They will go directly from manufacturers to vaccine providers. Doctors at the University of Kansas are encouraged by the potential vaccine approval, but they are staying very busy. Cases and hospitalizations are rising. The health system has 167 COVID patients right now, including 101 active acute cases. But doctors say the news of the vaccine is starting to brighten the spirits of frontline workers battling the virus each day.
I never thought I would say I was excited to read an FDA briefing paper, but this is going to be a game changer. And so that was really hopeful, really exciting. But we're going to come back to this several times. It doesn't mean that we can now let our guard down. There's still a lot of work to do.
Pending approval, doctors anticipate delivery of vaccines between Monday and Wednesday of next week. Kansas City's VA Medical Center is preparing for vaccine distribution. It's been identified as a Moderna vaccine deployment site. The FDA will consider emergency use authorization for Moderna by the week of December 21st. Now, if the vaccine is approved, the VA will start distributing the vaccine to its healthcare workers and high-risk veterans. The VA says the vaccine won't be mandatory for employees, but it is highly encouraged. Airlines are busy putting the final touches on plans to transport the vaccines across the world. The CEO of Delta says they've been doing trial runs since the summertime. Because the vaccines have to be stored in extremely cold temperatures, United has worked with the FAA to find a safe threshold for transporting dry ice on planes.
Because we started that months ago, when the vaccine started being manufactured a few weeks ago, we were in a position to start shipping it to the distribution centers around the world.
American and Delta are also working with the FAA to nail down a plan for transporting those vaccines. Now, as of right now, new coronavirus cases in Missouri and Kansas are going down. In Missouri, the 7-day rolling average is down to 3,200. Kansas is reporting 5,400 new cases since Wednesday. In Kansas, the monthly positivity rate is down to 16.4%. Missouri's positivity rate is down also to 18.7%. New COVID-19 guidelines are now in effect in Independence, Missouri. Bars and restaurants will be allowed to serve food and drink between 5 a.m. and midnight. Capacity cannot exceed 50%. Masks will be required in public places unless you are eating or drinking. Independence officials say any business that violates the guidelines could face reduced curfew or even the loss of utilities. The Mid-Continent Public Library's North Oak branch is shut down because of a potential COVID-19 exposure. A staff member tested positive for the virus today. Everyone working at the location will be tested and closely monitored before coming back to work, and the library will be professionally deep cleaned while it's closed.